Hi guys, welcome back to H's Trains, and yes, I have got 10 subscribers. Today I am doing a 10 subscribers special, and this is the Triangle Railways box anyway, so can anyone guess what it is? Well, I'll give it away by the clue. It says R142D junction signal distant. So I got this for £5 at Dagfields Antiques and Crafts Centre, and it says down there, built in Britain by Rovex Scale Models Limited. It's quite interesting. And that says up there, if it would focus, underneath the writing. It won't see on camera, so I'll just read it. It says registered trademark, so it doesn't really matter. And then it says precision scale models. So now I will get this beauty out of the box. There we go. There it is. I got that for £5, as I said, from Dagfields Antiques and Crafts Centre, and I got it in one of the antique emporiums. It was my birthday, so I thought I'd treat myself to it, because I don't have one. And there we go. Moves up and down. With this little lever here, you will push, and then it goes up. It's quite good, really. It's missing steps. It's missing steps from, I think, where, from this side, if you can see where the silver lining is. Ah, there, it's just below there. And it's got the little holes there to nail it in. And you've got the other side, but this is a distant black signal. So, thank you to all those who have subscribed to me, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Each time I hit 10 subscribers, each time like 10, 20, 30, so on, I will do a special video on these, which you will probably enjoy. Please don't forget to leave a comment, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Bye.